Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and set up Do Not Disturb mode on the Motorola Moto G67. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. If you have a separation between toggles and notifications, swipe from the right side. Swipe twice to reveal the toggles, and somewhere in here you should find Do Not Disturb mode. It's actually not labeled as Do Not Disturb or DND, but rather as modes. Let's click the arrow, and in here you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode. I recommend going into settings first. Click on Do Not Disturb mode, which allows us to change its parameters. Anything you create here would also be a Do Not Disturb mode, just named differently. This specific mode is manually toggleable and doesn't have a schedule option. You can select who can call or message you, with additional options for repeated callers. If someone calls twice within 15 minutes, they bypass your selected settings. You can choose from Stored Contacts, All Contacts, Anyone, or No One. This is a good option for emergencies. You can also select which applications can notify you. Alarms and other interruptions can be specified, along with display settings. You can enable grayscale, dark mode, or other display options when Do Not Disturb is active. The duration for quick settings defines what happens when you manually turn on Do Not Disturb. By default it runs indefinitely, but I prefer to change it to a timed period. I set mine to 4 hours, which covers my needs and gives extra time. You can also select the last option to choose the duration each time you enable it. Personally, I like clicking less, so I set it to 4 hours and I'm done. To enable it, click the toggle and you'll get a notification that it's on. Tap it again to turn it off when you're done. In settings, you'll find other default modes like bedtime and driving. Get bedtime mode activates when the device detects you're sleeping using sensors. Driving mode uses GPS to detect when you're traveling and turns on automatically. You can create custom modes with schedules. These are schedule modes set by you, and you can edit existing ones or create new ones. Name it whatever you want, choose an icon, and click Done. You can select the schedule based on calendar events or specific times and days of the week. Then configure people, apps, alarms, other interruptions, and display settings. There's no duration option here because these modes are designed specifically for schedules. Toggle it off to prevent it from turning on at that time. When toggled on, it will activate at the scheduled time. You can also turn it off by tapping on it when it shows up here. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.